welcome back to my channel. My name is Iyannah, and today's video is another super exciting video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these cute 90s hairstyles. I absolutely love the 90s, and if you want to see how I achieve them, make sure to keep on watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and turn on my post notification bell to get notified every single time I post. I post 2 times a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, so you don't want to miss a video. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave down any video suggestions you may have down below. Follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and my TikTok to keep up with me. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So for our first 90s style, I'm just going to be leaving my bangs in the front, and then I'm going to be pulling up 2 ponytails in the middle of my head and securing them with ponytail holders. If you don't have bangs, you can create bangs, or you can just leave your hair normally and gel it down with some product, any product of your choice, and yeah, that is the style. So I see some frizzy pieces, so I'm gonna go in with some oil and make sure that I can curl those pieces and make them normal. Our second 90s style is just an addition to our first style. So what we are going to be doing for this one is wrapping our hair around and making 2 buns instead of 2 ponytails. And you can make these big or you can make them small. I decided to make mine kind of big, and this is the perfect style if you want to wear your hair up and you also want to wear it down, and you want to have a bun but you also want to wear it down. This is such a cute style, and yeah, so we're just going to be securing our hair with a bobby pin. Third style, what we are going to be doing is pulling our hair up into 2 huge ponytails, and I'm doing mine with bangs, so I didn't pull my hair back, but if you want to pull all of your hair back for this one, you absolutely can. For this next step, you don't have to do it, but what I did was I just pulled out 2 pieces of my hair and just left them hanging, and I thought that was really cute, but if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. Alright, so we are on to style number 4, which is this cute 90s hairstyle, and I'm pulling my hair back and laying it flat for a reason. You will see why in a couple seconds. So what I'm doing is getting this random bandana, and I'm going to put it in a triangle shape, and then I'm going to put it on my head and make sure it is secure. If you have curly hair, I would recommend pulling your hair back first so it is easier to put on the bandana. If you have straight hair, you don't really have to worry about it, but if you have really curly, dense hair, pull your hair back first and then put the bandana on, and then you can take out the ponytail after you're done. Style number 5, which is a half up, half down. down and everybody wears this style, but I will be adding a cute little scrunchie to it. And I didn't leave my bangs out for this one, so I will be doing my baby hairs. If you don't want to do your baby hairs, you definitely don't have to. So what I'm doing is just making sure the top is equal to the bottom. And after I do that, I will be sleeking it down with my favorite gel, which is Eco Styler. And if you don't like Eco Styler, you can use any gel of your choice and make sure your hair is sleek if you like that look. And then after I do that, I'll be securing it with a ponytail holder. So we have reached our last and final 90s style. So this is style number 6, and it is more complicated than all the other styles, which is why I put it last. But I think the results are definitely worth it. And as you guys can see, my hair is getting less and less curly and more frizzy because I am manipulating it so much. And I usually like to manipulate my hair when it's close to wash day or when I am close to washing my hair, because I won't really care because I'm gonna wash my hair anyway. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna try out these styles or try out any new styles, do it when you're close to wash day, because then you can manipulate your hair, and then when you wash it, your hair will be brand new. So pretty much I'm just going to be making 5 sections, and I'm going to be separating those sections into equal parts. But for the middle section, I'm going to make sure the middle section is bigger than all the other sections. And I will be gelling my hair down with my Eco Styler to make sure that it is slick and laid down. And after I do that, I will be securing it with a small little rubber band and tightening it. And I will continue this process until I'm done with the front of my head. a section and we are going to twist it and twist it and twist it until our hair is ready to curl. And then once you feel your hair start to curl, you're gonna wrap it around and secure it with a bobby pin. And this is called a Bantu knot. It is a way that people curl their hair, and it is a way that people give themselves waves sometimes. And I love Bantu knots. I haven't done them in forever, but I just thought it would be cute to add it to this style. So then you'll just secure it, and we're gonna do that for each section of the front of our head. So once I finish creating the Bantu knots in the front of my head, I'm going to take out the back of my hair and fluff it out a little bit. And I would definitely recommend doing this style when your hair is extremely curly, because it just looks so cute when the back is just extremely curly and you have these like perfect curls. It just looks so cute. But I definitely don't have perfect curls in this video because I've been manipulating my hair this entire video, and this was the last style that I did. So my hair got extremely frizzy, but I think it still looks pretty cute on frizzy hair. I mean, it depends on how you like it, but I usually like to do this style when my hair is extremely curly. Yeah, so that kind of just depends on your preference. But at the end, I'm going to be adding lock jewelry to each Bantu knot, these silver lock jewelries, because I think it just adds such a cute touch. And this is like a Bantu crown, so I think it's really cute. Let me know which style was your favorite down in the comment section down below. I would love to know. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and turn on my post notification bell to get notified every single time I post. I post 2 times a week on Tuesdays and Fridays, so you don't want to miss a video. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave down any video suggestions you may have down below. Follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and my TikTok to keep up with me, and I will see you all in my next video.